Introducing the stunning 2023 Volvo XC90 T8 PHEV Plus Dark AWD. With a sleek black exterior and a powerful 2-litre engine, this MPV is the perfect blend of style and performance. This hybrid electric vehicle boasts a range of comfort and safety features, from ambient lighting to a 360-view camera and collision avoidance braking. The interior is luxurious and spacious, with cup holders and third-row seats for added convenience. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line Volvo. Call us today, or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information. Experience luxury and peace of mind on the road with the 2023 Volvo XC90 T8 PHEV Plus Dark AWD.